What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do ladder crunches. And this is the ladder crunch. This exercise has both advanced and beginner's variations, so pay close attention to the differences here. Starting off with the hands, they should be under the knees to place tension on the core. As far as the back placement goes, you should be leaning back at a 45-degree angle. In order to really target that lower abdomen, the legs should be straight at the top of each rep. Okay, and taking a look at the beginner variation. So less tension is going to be applied to the abs and the hips whenever the hands are placed behind the back. Alright fam, and that's how you do a ladder crunch. Until next time.